The river of night shimmered more brightly than ever before. Its glowing waters sparkled with starlight, and on her branch of silver mist the owl stirred. She lifted her golden eyes and gave a soft call. Ooh, ooh. Oh my, tonight the river is busy. From around the bend came not one boat, not two, but dozens. They floated together, drifting side by side, each glowing in its own way. One boat was woven from pink petals, its light as soft as spring blossoms. Another was made of seashells, shining with a pearly glow. Another glittered like crystal, carved from starlight itself. The owl watched them in wonder. So many dreams, she whispered. Dreams of kindness, dreams of laughter, dreams of peace, dreams of love. The river carried the boat smoothly onward, and the owl spread her wings to follow. The boats moved like a parade of light. Some bobbed gently on the water, others swayed as if carried by a secret wind. Together they filled the river with colors and sparkles brighter than the stars above. As the boats drifted forward, each released its gift. The petal boat sent a dream of friendship, drifting down to a child who dreamed of meeting a new friend. The shell boat sent a dream of gentle waves and calm oceans. The crystal boat sent a dream of shining bravery, glowing in the heart of someone small. One by one, the dreams fell softly to earth until the night below shimmered with light. The owl hovered over them, her feathers glowing silver. Ah, she whispered, the river has given so much tonight. May every dream find the one who needs it. The many boats, their gifts delivered, slowly faded into the mist. The river quieted, though its glow remained steady and strong. And as always, it sang its secret song. Many boats on silver streams, bringing children gentle dreams. One by one they sail away, guiding night until the day. Many boats on silver streams, bringing children gentle dreams. One by one they sail away, guiding night until the day the owl returned to her branch, folding her wings as the stars twinkled around her. The river of night flowed on, as it always would, carrying endless boats of endless streams, and all was peaceful once more.